I've been coming to Bragg Dental and seeing Dr. Bragg since 1996, so almost 30 years. It's really a great experience. When I first show up here for an appointment, the folks that are up front are always cheerful, smiling, so it really puts me at ease. When I was diagnosed with sleep apnea a few years ago, I tried a CPAP device and it really didn't work. It was cumbersome. I wasn't able to sleep very well. I'm a side sleeper, so it was very difficult. So when I decided to try the oral device from Dr. Bragg, it was like night and day. The next morning, no snoring at all. My wife told me that everything was great, and I've been sleeping soundly ever since.